Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. Look, I'm in the laundry aisle again, guys. At you know where. Dollar General. Guys, Dollar General's on fire with that extra 5 off 25 this week. And you guys know I am like a kid in a candy store with that coupon because I do not like to shop on Saturdays because of all the chaos and my anxiety. So I get to take advantage of it all week long and next week. I'm just through the moon, the roof with happiness, guys. You just don't understand. But anyway, we're going to jump into this deal. You guys already know the routine. On the way to 15K. Just need a couple more. So guys, go ahead, hit that subscription button if you have not already done so. And hit the bell right next to it. That way you get notified every time I put up a new video. So you guys know we're going to do a deal where we're going to get our total up to $25 so that we could take advantage of the 5 off 25. Now I am going to tell you I am at an old system store, so hopefully everything works out fine. Okay, so the deal that we're going to do is going to be on like the Persil products, but it's a whole lot of different ways that you can do this deal. The coupon that we're going to work with is going to be this one right here, where you spend $5 and get, you spend $20 and you get $5 off. And that is any Persil. The products that are included are Snuggle, Purex Crystals, Persil, or Dial products. So we're going to focus on the Persil products, but like I said, there's a number of ways you can do this deal with all those different products included. Though I'm just going to focus on one product and one product only. I'm going to make this deal real easy, real simple for you guys, okay? Plus, I have an order from a customer for this particular product, so that's another reason why I'm going to do it this way. So we're going to go with the Persil. I'm not fooling with the Persil liquid. I am just going to get the Persil Ultra packs, okay? So that is these right here. And they are regularly $5.95, but they're on sale this week for $5.50. So right there, we're saving 45 cents, right? But the deal gets even better. You see, it says that we have a $1.50 digital coupon. Do not clip that coupon in your app, okay? Let me show it to you. So when you scan the Persil packs, Ultra packs, these two coupons attached, the spend 20 get $5 off. And by the way, if you don't do the deal the way I'm doing it, whatever way you do it, make sure you scan every single item and make sure every single item has this coupon attached to it, okay? And then you also see that this coupon pops up, which is $1.50 off of Persil 40 ounce or Persil 16 count power packs. Do not clip that coupon. We're not going to use that, okay? Only coupon you want to clip is this one that says spend 20, save $5, okay? So I want you to grab 5 of these. Sorry guys, everything around here has to be locked up because they steal everything. So you're going to grab 5 of the Persil power packs. Okay? $5.50 times 5 brings us to $27.50. So we are well over our $25 threshold. You also want to clip the $5 off 25. Now, I don't know if that is going to work or not. I'm hoping it does, because if it does, that's going to make this deal amazing. If it doesn't, I'm going to take one of these away. So then we'll have 4 of them. 4 times $5.50 is $22. We still have enough to get our $5 off by spending 20. Okay? So remember, I told you, do not clip that $1.50 coupon because we're going to use something else. But before I show you that, I want to remind the people who are new to this, I am at an old store. So this deal that I'm going to show you, I don't know if it will work at a new system store. A new system store is when your receipt prints out in two different sections. You have your receipt, and then you have your 5 off 25 clipped. It won't be attached to your receipt. It prints out separately. And there will not be a keyboard at the register. The register will be a touch screen. If you're at an old system store, your receipt prints all at once, and you have to cut your 5 off 25 off or tear it off. And the old system stores have a keyboard at the register, okay? Guys, make sure that you have your Ibotta linked to your DG count, because we're not going to use that $1.50 off coupon, because guess what? Ibotta's giving us $2 back for each Persil pack that we buy up to 5. And what's nice about this is they're giving us $2 where that coupon was only $1.50. So you guys see why I said don't clip that coupon. You want to use this, okay? So if everything goes right, we're going to get the $5 off for the 5 off 25. We're going to get the $5 off for spending 20, and then we're going to get $2 back from Ibotta for each one of these. So let's head up to the register and let's see what happens. Okay guys, so I'm back in the car. Everything worked out perfect. So here we go. There you see I bought 5 power packs at $5.50. That comes to $27.50. There you see the store discount of $10. That's the 5 off 25, and then the 5 off for spending 20. My total was $17.50. Again, remember, I did this at an old register store. I don't know if it will work at a new register store. And I don't have time to try, but you guys can try and you can let me know. But it definitely works at the old register store. Now I'm going to share something else with you guys that I did not share with you in the store because I wasn't sure how that was going to work out. But you make sure that you have Fetch, okay? Scan your receipt into Fetch. You see I spent $27.50 on Persil. That was my total before coupons. Well, Fetch has an offer that when you spend $22 on Persil products at Dollar General, and it's only at Dollar General, you get 3,000 points, which equals $3. And you can do this deal 2 times. So look, I scanned my receipt. They gave me credit for $20.50. Normally, they would only have given me credit for $17.50 because they normally deduct the amount of the coupons, but they didn't. So that's another $3 off that we're getting off of our deal. And you see, they're taking the rest of the amount and putting it to the next receipt. So you can do the deal twice, but you don't have to do it all in one receipt. It will keep track for you. Okay, guys, so I also got my money back from Ibotta. I'm not going to count the 10 cents. That is for any receipt. But you see, I did get back my $10, $2 for each bag of Ultra Pack. So that's a total of $10. So when you minus the $10 that I got from Ibotta and the $3 that I got back from Fetch, that's $13 minus the $17.50. That means I paid $4.50 for 5 bags of Persil Power Packs or Ultra Packs. So guys, that's my deal. Let me know how you make out. And until the next time, keep on saving.